Here we see a simulation of 4 cars heading towards each other, and their primary planning and control systems have failed. With SFF off, they collide. And here we see the same simulation but with safety force field on. In this case, SFF corrects the controls of each car and the collision is avoided. In this simulation, the safety force field is computing the ego car's forward trajectory in yellow, and as soon as it determines this trajectory will touch the stationary vehicle ahead, SFF overrules the primary control system, applies the braking safety procedure, and avoids the collision. And here we see SFF applying steering in a safety procedure to steer the car around the stationary obstacle. In this simulation, the primary planning and control system initiates a safe lane change in congested traffic, and the safety force field does not override this decision, which shows that SFF does not over-constrain the primary system in normal everyday driving. Here the safety force field is running live in the car in a 4-camera surround perception setup.